Here we are, getting ready to break into the Disneyland Hotel little koi pond thing, because there's a little gate here, although it doesn't actually say do not enter, but there's a little padlock thing right there, so kind of assuming we're not allowed to, but we're gonna do it anyways. Here we go. Oh, damn it. Wait, she's right there. Let's just, we're just gonna chill right here. She's just gonna chill. Oh, she's not that important. Walking down, walking down. Walking downstairs. Walking downstairs. Now we're in the dead center. And everyone can see us. And it looks very conspicuous. See, there they are up there. And here's the little place. The destination that we are trying to get into is over there with the waterfall, because it's really pretty. But unfortunately, there's people around, so we're gonna wait a little bit longer since they don't see us going over the fence, if we can get over the fence. How'd you get down there? Oh, hey, you're smart. Oh, we just crawled over, and now we're crawling under. Oh, and it's pitch black, so you can't see anything. Oh, but we're in it. We are so in it. Here we go. Oh, I think that was wet. Totally got my butt wet. Oh, really wet. And here we are at the waterfall. You might just walk through a spider